Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on Google Meet. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Google Meet. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Google Meet. And here we'll update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.